in the beginning.
Yo, yo, yo. What's up, YouTube? What's up, TikTok? What's good? Yeah, but you guys that keep crying and saying bank holiday, did we not just get a candle that moved 130 pips? If there's volume in the market, there's volume in the market. Stop complaining. Stop fucking complaining. If there's volume, there's volume. But yeah, here we are on a Friday, you guys. New York holiday, and we might get shit volume, but it looks like a candle just moved 130 pips. So, you know, that's a good sign if you're trying to trade. If I remembered that it's a new bank holiday today here, I wouldn't be trading, but I'm happy that we just got volume there. So could be a good sign of volume. But what's good? Peace deal just happened. Oh. Peace deal just happened. And it's all happening. Manish on a beat, Shebang. You know that song where Drake goes, "Don't." It's stuck in my head. Don't do that. All right, man. Let's do it. I have 99% signal rate. No, you have a 99% blocked rate. Yes, you know the song. Don't. Hey, I'm gonna do a quick top down here, you guys, on gold. I'd like to do a top down analysis real quickly on gold. Super bearish, obviously. Daily, bear. Oh, 4 hour looking at like it's holding up at this level up here. Strong 1 hour closure descend. Strong 30 closure descend. It's a pretty fucking strong 15 closure. Ah, interesting. If this 15 hangs around here, I might take an impulse buy. Don't. What's good? And NQ, let's do a quick top down on NQ. Daily. Oh, 4 hours pushing up here. 1 hour. 30. 15. Yeah, typical NQ. Like, I don't know just yet. I'm not that interested in NQ right now. What you think this summer month trading? What do you think summer month trading? I don't know what you mean. But yeah, hopefully you guys are good. Let's cook here on a Friday. Let's see if we can finish the week with a bang. And I don't mean a bang as in your account blowing up, but I just mean a bang as in, I don't know. What are kill zones? I have no idea, bro. US bank holiday, does that make sense to still trade? Well, let me ask you this. If you see one 15-minute candle move 130 pips, would you want to trade? Or would you want to say, no, it's a bank holiday, right? Or do you want to trade because the market's got volatility? Trading in summer months, people tend... Summer for who, though? It's summer for me right now. Or does the world revolve around you and your seas? Bro's just coming out swinging. But yeah, here we go. Let's see if we can do something here for a Friday. Bang holiday. What's good, Jack? What's good, my man? Was that a news? Was it? No, I don't see any news. Don't. Then who are you supporting for the World Cup? Yeah, I don't even watch anything. Yeah, I don't watch soccer. So yeah, I got nothing, no opinion there. I got nothing to input. But I'm pretty keen to trade. That's what I'm looking to do. Chopped hair, all good. You guys, this is your last chance to register for the free webinar this weekend. This Sunday, there's a free webinar coming to a store near you. Let me actually put a link in the chat. Register here, it's free. You want to lock in, man. Come show up to this, get some free value. Walk away a better trader. The worst thing that can happen is you walk away a better trader. How crazy is that? Wow, look at the volatility here. Wait, what the fuck? Oh, wait, that's... No. Look how on Oanda price crazily just wicked down, but on Dominion markets here it didn't go that far at all. Yeah, lock in for the free webinar this Sunday. The three-phase system to get consistency and bigger profits in your pocket. The three-stage system. Sunday the 21st, 3 p.m. EST. Save my seat. It's free. I've started price action trading now. When a setup from breakout happens, should I take entry? It means I relate it with volume theory, sir. Yeah, I'm not sure what volume theory is, but how can I register the webinar? I'll post the link here one more time in the TikTok chat. There's a link there. Yeah, man. You know, in terms of breakouts, I've got a bunch of videos on that. If this candle closes small body red, I'm going to take an impulse buy at the break of the. Oh wait, that's why I'm looking at the wrong pair, bro. I'm so freaking cooked, man. What's the 30 look like? Your chart in Dominion market is not US 30. It's not, yes, thank you. I just realized that now. Thank you. Register for the webinar. Nice. Let's go. Let's go, my dude. Let's absolutely go. See what gold wants to do here. Wow, a lot of you guys are here. 414 people here on a Friday. Usually Fridays are quiet for New York. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the stream. Yeah, if we get a small body closure here, I'm pretty interested in an impulse buy. Got a 30-minute closure, 1 hour closure, 15 closure. I'm not too concerned with this little bit of shit here, just because there's a lot of volume in the market and we got those higher time frame closures. It's just a small doji. I'm happy to punch through there. What do we got in the clock? We've still got like 6 minutes. I want to be profitable. I love charts. David, love you, bro. David. Why David? How do we get to David? David trades. What your opinion, brother? Just in general? Hey, bro, what's your opinion in general? I guess everyone else is, all the other streamers are like bitch ass because they are the bank holiday. Not me, son. I'm a soldier boy. Even if it's closed small body green. Damn, all this bullish volume just kicked in. I love you, bro. I still remember you last trade on news. Oh, NFP. Let's go. How many experience years in gold? 6. I have signed up for the webinar on Sunday, but something has come up and I'm not sure if I can watch it live. Will it be recorded? No. Yeah. Or maybe if you signed up, maybe we'll send you it to your email or something. We'll see. But probably not. Where's Abby? Bro, Abby stream this coming next Thursday. Abby stream on Thursday. Please shout out for me. Say, Kashi, you will become profitable trader. Yeah, you'll become profitable, bro. As long as you don't be like 98% of other people, then you're going to become profitable. So statistically, you're probably not going to, but I believe in you. So I believe in you, bro. Who's Abby? Abby runs the live stream on E8 Sports. It's in the game. E8 Markets YouTube. So I'm going to propose to her on stream on Thursday, I think. Nah, I didn't. I personally have been pretty busy today. I've had a lot of one-on-one calls with like mentorship people. So I haven't been able to look at the markets too much today. What's up, Harmless? H-Dog. Do you swing trade? I mean, a little bit on one of my small personal accounts, but I'm trying to pull back on that because I've noticed like it's not good for my mindset to be swinging and shit like that. It's not something I enjoy doing really. I enjoy like showing up and doing what I've done for 6 years, which is just scalping the market. It's the easiest way to stay consistent. If I start swinging on personal accounts and shit, it's just like it builds bad habits. Then I'm out, you know, conquering the world, knowing in the back of my mind I've got a trade on. It's pretty stressful. David Home, what's up, Shem? Yes. Late Night Bandits. Green looks so good on you, you cuz. Thank you, cuz. Yo, what's good, Adrian? Hi, bro. Can you have fixed hours in trading? Fixed hours? China. Can you have this?
In the beginning.
What do we got on the clock? We've got 2.5 minutes here. No trades for me today. Yo, what's good, Will? Big Will I am. My boy's getting rich out here. Which pair is this? This is gold, bro. I'm going to be switching between gold and NQ, but mainly gold. Hello, bro. Are you married? No. No. You know what I'm married to? I got stars on the roof of my car. You see that double R? That's all. You know what else I'm married to? The light was hitting it whack. If it gets in like good lighting, you see all the colors like fucking sprinkle. Iced up. I love ice. Oh, can't see. Sorry, yeah, you guys on TikTok, you won't be able to see. I'm live on YouTube. Live. Radio. So gold's coming back down here. I've noticed that Asia is much better. Yeah, Asia is great for if you trade gold. Asia's great. Yeah. If not married, can you bring anything for yourself? Huh? Do you live stream through an NFP? Yes. Yeah, I'm ashamed to say I do. I've got a level here. We're not going to get a breakout though, but might as well just put a level here. How did you go with Frantra? What's that? Oh, thank you for reminding me. Maybe I did do something actually. Fintra. No, I think Fintra is not necessarily a payment solution, but they are specifically for white labeling prop firms. What camera are you using? ZV-E10 with the Sigma lens. When the market's actually closed today? Yeah, I have no idea. Do you base your trades? Yeah, solely on price action, solely on candle closures. What up, Reginald? Hey bro, how do I buy a full course? I'm a beginner. I want one strategy. I lost in multiple teachers. Oh fuck, bro. I don't even know. Just show up to the live streams. I want to start streaming. Any advice? Yeah, just click record. Don't even think about it, bro. Just do what you would do. Just click record and then just talk as if people are there. Just talk about the setup you're seeing, and that's all. It's pretty tough. I mean, it's not tough. Like, there's people that build fucking houses and some, you know, that's tough. It's tough, like, psychologically to show up every day for, like, no one's there. You can use debit card in crypto. Yeah, I'll definitely have a look into that after this. Most definitely, I need to get it sorted.
In the beginning.
I believe I have someone now, but it's always I need a secondary backup. I got stars. I got stars in the roof of my car. I have 500. I want to start. Do you suggest me prop firm? Yeah, start with prop firm. Don't put that 500 into the market because you're going to lose it. There's a 100% chance you're going to lose it. If you don't believe me, I'll bet you 500 that you're going to lose it. All right? Do you do anything other than trade? I'm new to this channel. Yeah, I twerk. I'm a professional twerker. So every second day I'll live stream twerk lessons. And I'm a professional beatboxer. Bro, I remember I always talk about this, but when I was younger and Razel did like a beatbox. If your mother only knew. That was the coolest shit of all time. Now when I hear like beatboxes, it makes me cringe. I don't know why. I guess times have changed. Hey, what do we got? What do we got? What do we got? You guys on YouTube. Lock in, man. There's a link in the description of this video. Free webinar this Sunday. This motherfucking Sunday. It's like you either be there or you be just in live streams looking for signals. It's like if you want to get better as a trader, you're going to have to be there, my G. Be careful in these markets. Missed out on a big gold move yesterday because entry the candle retested push less than a minute. Does that happen to you all the time? Yeah, it happens all the time. So you need to reframe it in your mind as you missing a trade to, oh, there was nearly a setup. Because if you have it in your mind that you missed a trade because one of your key rules wasn't ticked, then you didn't miss it at all. It just wasn't your move. Please don't twerk over the stream. Which prop firm do you recommend? I don't know, bro. They're all good. Just go to any of them. Just the cheapest ones. Oh, you saw me throwing punches and kicks after a win? Yeah. What do we got? Yeah, we'll see what this. It's true. If, like I said before, if I knew it was a bank holiday, I wouldn't have shown up. But you know, there's volume. There's definitely volume. We can't deny there's not volume. We have NYSE coming in a couple of minutes, and people go, "It's a US bank holiday." Yeah, but I guarantee there's still volume when it comes in. So we'll see what happens. Maybe not. But we're here now. I don't care if it's the end of the world. If the candles are moving, showing me that there's volume in the market, I'll trade. Did you see that thing? How there was those like institutional traders, and when the Twin Towers got hit, they loaded up accounts and took sells. Yo, Mickey Zam in the building. Clean range. Yeah. Clean range versus non-clean range is just simply this. Like if we mark this level and a candle broke above, you can say, look, we've got a level there, we've got a level there, we have a level there. So all the way up here, there's green and red candles printed side by side in the 15-minute time frame. Now that's okay as long as the distance between the next range, like this, is enough for you to ride that. So if I measure this, I can say, oh, well, look, it's 110 pips of clean till the next level of resistance. So if a candle were to break above here, and then retest, and I got my entry halfway through, because you got to remember, you're going to get your entry about there. So technically, you've only got like 70 pips of clean range, which is still pretty good. All right, so it's about looking for the next level of resistance, measuring the range, and then asking yourself, if I get a break above and a retest and a continuation, is there enough clean range to the next level? What's good, Alex? Alex here on TikTok. Don't you think the setup we trade like breakout are usually made by banks? Nah, bro, I don't think like that. Don't overthink it, my G. You start overthinking trading, bro, and you'll find yourself like a year later in some deep rabbit hole conspiracy theory about why the market moves. Just show up and trade. Try not to think too much. Yeah, you can go down some crazy rabbit holes. You'll end up with the ICT. It's all an algorithm run by fucking the dude that, in the Matrix, how you kind of, you got to be careful. Try not to think too much. I know you're laughing, but bro, I'm being serious. The only thing you should be really thinking about is this my setup? That's it. No trades for me today. Dopamine reset. Enjoy the weekend. Nice. Yeah, I haven't caught anything today either. If this kind of closes small body green, or small body red even, I might even look at an impulse. I lost all the money I had earned over the course of several months. Yeah, that can happen too. That's the thing about just trading. You could wipe out months of progress in like a day. It's a brutal game. That's why it's so like you just hear every like professional trader like yap on about the fact of like just stick to like a couple trades a day max. Like learn to just build that into a routine of just you show up, do your thing, and get out. Because I talk about it all the time, man. But once tilt takes over, you're possessed by a gay demon, and you're out of control by that point. Once you're in tilt state of mind, there's no going back. So it's like prevent getting there is the key. Oh, you upload strategy to AI, nice. The algorithm that Lux Algo made on your breakout. Nah, I've seen a few videos of like algorithm traders using my system for algorithm shit, but it'll never work for them. It's never going to work. You can't code the system because there's so much decision making, more on like to stand a trade down, that you need to be a human. Bro, what's the go with prop trying to move me to live? Look at bro's trying to subtly flex over here. Yo, bro, what's the deal with prop firms trying to move me to live after I've got 4 million in payouts? What the hell? Bro's trying to subtly flex. Any advice on being scared to lose money? So I close early? Yeah, you make the decision before you take the trade. Before you take the trade, you say to yourself, I'm going to put my stop loss here, and I'm accepting the loss before it even happens. Don't even think about the profit. Only think about the loss. How much am I willing to lose on this trade? Not how much do I want to get out of this trade. Man, you'll see a lot of really good traders still have that backwards, where as soon as they take a trade, they'll drag up their take profit, and then they're just thinking about the money, how that's going to make. Bruh, all you need to do is drag your stop loss, and then don't even worry about your take profit. Just think, how much am I willing to lose here? Risk management, risk management, risk management, capital preservation. Yeah, send it in, Hodge. I want to see it as well. If you see it. ICT destroying newbies? No, I wouldn't say that. I mean, there's good ICT traders. What's the deal with my live moving me to prop? You're long now? Long land, long. You guys on YouTube, drop a thumbs up for the stream. I'm here on a bank holiday, risking all of my family's fortunes to trade a bank holiday. I could go bankrupt for streaming today. If this comes up here and closes small body, let me have a look at some of this shit. We are moving up pretty aggressively. Could you imagine if this 4-hour flips and breaks down higher? You could see a real nice push. How to fix overtrading? Does anyone have any advice for Kashi over here? How to fix overtrading? I mean, Jofa. Enter the sell on the 15-minute candle before bullish candle. Enter the sell on the 15-minute candle on the before the big bullish. Oh, down here. Oh, it looks pretty nice. You're going against. Doesn't look too bad, but even if you got this push here, you should have taken partials already. Like if your stop was above current candle wick, you should have been safe here. You should have been able to close partials and maybe got BE'd for the rest. Yeah, that should have been a W. Oh, look at this. People are saying lock button. Shut down your computer and walk away. Allah Akbar. Man, I got a lot of signal bots here in the TikTok chat today. China. Gold's been weird right now. Let's see what happens here. Let's see if like the NYSE, what would typically be NYSE open, does anything. If you still overtrade, you haven't lost enough money yet. I like that. That's good. That's funny. What's your bias? Buy or sell? Don't have a bias right yet. If I got a green closure engulfing here, or like even if it doesn't need to engulf, but if it can fill a bit more of this candle here, I would buy gold back up. What's your strategy? Just price action, just reading market structure and taking buys and sells. How can overtrading stop me? Bro, I'll tell you how overtrading can stop you. You just lose everything. Yeah, doesn't, man, there's no correlation between me being profitable and payouts and all that shit to change my risk to reward. It's 1-to-1 as a base, but if you watch my most recent YouTube video, I mean, I took a trade last night, which was like probably equivalent to 1-to-3. If you're overtrading, then there is no system in place. You were just jumping one strategy to another, maybe, but like you can still get overtrade with knowing your system. Overtrading goes so deep and it's so difficult and it takes so long to stop. For some people, like me, it took me a long time. Because the interesting thing about trading is you get in it for money, but then you realize, fuck, you have to you find out so much about yourself if you stick with it, and all these traits that you have to overcome in order to be profitable. It's actually really remarkable how much, self-development you have to do in order to become profitable. Can I get a live review? Can I get a live review of my trade? Wait, can I see that? To the fun. Roman, yeah, throw it. I mean, you should be going through all those webinars though. We talk about this exact setup a lot. Yeah, chuck it in the Dissy, 100%. Chuck it in the Dissy, 100%. Trade reviews. Yeah, look, this is how, whoever said that before, this is how the trade should have been handled. Exactly like this. So one of the guys in the mentorship took this as well. Entry here, you cut 80% there. Perfect. Oh yeah, so here's the thing, Roman. This is something we talk about a lot, which is, if you've got, look how many candles we've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green candles in a row from what I can see just here, right? So that's about 3 hours of green candles. But not only that, look at the inconsistency within the candles as well. You got a lot of wicks, you got small bodies, you're getting dojis. So for 3 hours, you're just kind of fucking whipping around all over the shop. There's no consistency in the candles. What you'd want to see, and then when you did get that red candle, it kind of overextended, engulfed 1, 2, 3, 4. It engulfed, like an hour of candles. It's not us that what you would want to see is, right? You'd want to see you'd really want to see like 2 candles. Like we want to see consistency. We want to see volume in the market as well. That's probably the most important thing. And just simply like an immediate turnaround. Ideally, this is from like a point of interest as well. But yeah, you really want to see the market turn around. You want to see the big bodies. You want to see the nice retest, and then you can enter. Now look how nice and appealing that is to the eye, where you've got the big bodies, you've got the rejections off the top end, right? So price has tried to, it's failed to do so. How much more pleasing to the eye that is? And then now look at this. A lot of wicks, small bodies, ugly candles. It should really be like consistent bodies. But I know you're still relatively new here, Roman. So the thing is, you're going to look back on this in a couple of weeks and be like, what the fuck? Like, I would never take this trade. You know what I mean? Like, soon you're going to see, soon you'll look at it. This should hurt your eyes. Like, you should look at this and be like, ugh. Like, it should like give you a physical reaction. All these wicks. So yeah, good. This is a good learning lesson. for sure. This is good. I'm gonna cook. I've got four new modules coming into the mentorship group before Sunday, and I think it's gonna help you as well to understand this on a deeper level. But yeah, nice one. So let's see what this candle does. NQ's trying to break out. Oh, Sheen, that was your trade? Yeah, that's good. I think you managed it well there. That's pretty much all you could do in that with that kind of setup. Yep. Yeah, I don't know if Paige is here in the chat, but see, here's the thing. This is why I always preach at a base level, we do a one-to-one. If this was a one-to-one, that means it would have been there about, right? And 80% would have been about there. So Paige actually would have secured 80% and then got BE'd with the rest. But see that part of like, you know, when you try to tweak the fundamental principles of the system, it burns you. It's there for a reason, right? Please add me in your community. Just add me. Even if a type 2 is forming on the 30, I couldn't take it based on the 15. If these two candles were switched around where the second 15 was bigger than the first, maybe. Yo, Silseek, what up, brother? How you trading? Isn't it a holiday? What do you mean? Isn't it a holiday? I don't understand. Yeah, fuck all volume though. On NQ at least. Gold seems to have a good amount. I'll give it a little bit more. Yeah, I understand that, but like when you say how are you trading, like that's what I don't understand. Let me see. Can I like physically not place a trade or something? Yeah, I can place trades. What do you mean? Yeah, can only accept one cashy. It's a bank holiday, stupid. Hey, stupid! Didn't I just place a trade? Right? Love you, man. Oh, nice. Medical. What would you say separates your best students from the rest? Honestly, bro, that's a great question. And that's the question I used to ask in live streams as well when I was coming up. Because it's important to know what are the good traders doing as opposed to what the bad traders are doing. And for me, the students that perform the best are one, and this is like an annoying thing to hear, but it's like resilience. Like most people, if they fall down in anything in life, they just like, oh, fuck this. Or they just jump to the next thing or whatever. But those that like can stay resilient, because trading, it takes fucking a bit of time, man. Resilience and actually like trying to learn from mistakes, like taking notes or learning from mistakes is really important as well. But resilience is probably the best one. And actually like there's people in my mentorship and I know for a fact they haven't gone through the course material. They're not up to speed with it, and they've been in the mentorship for like 6 months. And it's like, I can't help you then, bro. You got to help yourself as well. What do we got? 5 minutes, man. If this candle were to push up here now and close somewhat bullish, I kind of like the idea of buys. T2 Impulse, yeah, probably wouldn't be as much as the Impulse, but yeah. Can't respect results when you don't put in the same. Yeah, exactly. Like, I mean, for years throughout my whole 20s, I was a personal trainer and a bodybuilding coach as well. And I seen the exact same thing. Like, coaching people, regardless of what industry it is, all the same shit correlates. And it was the same when I would like put diets together for athletes and shit. I knew those that were sticking to the diet 100% and those that weren't. How did I know? Results spoke. All right. What did you write, Jay? I didn't see what you wrote, Jay. Prop firms, T-Raider. No, not for me. Prince Audi, not for me. Yeah, don't trade NQ today, you guys. There's absolutely no volume on NQ. Hey, you guys on YouTube as well, drop a thumbs up for the stream. But more importantly, this Sunday, free motherfucking webinar. Register. There's a link in the description to register. There's actually a link in the chat as well. Yeah, you want to show up to this, brother. Get some value out of it. Walk away a better trader. Walk away a better trader. The three-phase system to escape inconsistency and get bigger payouts / profits. Save my seat. It's free. Sunday the 21st this weekend. Here's a link in the chat. Oh yeah, NQ's dead as fuck. Dead as fuck. This dude's just an annoying hater. You're out. Hey, did you know today's bank holiday? Today's bank holiday. Today's bank holiday. Today's bank holiday. Today's bank holiday. Wow, this candle's just completely been filled now. Rejected back, straight back down. Today's bank holiday, today's bank holiday, today's bank holiday. %99 win rate, link in bio. All right, let's have a look at. Let's look at this person. They said there's a 99% win rate. Link in bio. Market Maker Drew. Market Maker Drew said he has a 99% win rate. Link in bio. Market Maker Drew. Is this really your tactic, Market Maker Drew? We've got to do better than this, my brother. What the freak just happened? What? How did I do this? How did I link two together? Separate? Yeah. We've got to do better than this, Market Maker Drew. Because I think there's a high probability you're not a market maker. You might be Drew though. Let's have a look here. I mean, really, bro? Really, Drew? Really, bro? You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 indicator things. 7, 8, 9 fucking indicators. Market Maker Drew, what are we doing? You've got 9 indicators. 9! God damn it. Do we really need 9 indicators, Market Maker Drew? Market Maker Drew the GOAT. Jump over the counter. Market Maker Drew is out of control, bro. We've got to do better, Market Maker Drew. I'm gonna give it one more candle, guys, and see if we get anything. I don't know, man. There's definitely volume, but it's like, I don't know. It's been a long time since finding a strategy. I found one with you, Daniel. Thanks, buddy. It's been 2 months trading confidence price action. Nice. My price action bandits. 99.9% win rate. Oh, Market Maker Drew, you're crazy. You're crazy on the markets. Yeah, it's a bank holiday. We can't. Today's bank holiday. Today's bank holiday. Today's bank holiday. Done for the week. Yeah, fair, fair, my G, fair. Yep. For the next 6 months, I'm going to target achieving 500 in funding, 200 blew it again, I'm back to 0. Yeah, bro, you're probably blowing it because you have these targets. Why? You don't need to have any targets, bro. With the 500 in funding and that. You should, why don't you just say, for the next 6 months, I'm just going to trade. Right? Just say that. For the next 6 months, I'm just going to trade and stick to my rules. It's going to be way better off for you. Hey, oh, Market Maker Drew, I wasn't sure if you were joking or if you're being serious. I think you were only joking. Oh, that's good to know. That's good. Appreciate you, bro. How much does it cost for attending the free webinar? We need Market Maker Drew on your ass. Let's see what some of the mentorship cats are doing. Oh, look at this. Nice. Finish the week with a small payout. Nice, Will. Beauty. Payout. Payout. Let's fucking get it. Look at Adrian in the Adrian's in the chat here, you guys. Adrian's one of the you know, he helps run some of the streams and shit in the mentorship. Great trader. Me and Adrian are going to film a podcast together on Monday, I believe. The elite have started buying now. The elite. Oh, you were joking the whole time? Damn, nice. Did 3K on NQ? I mean, how the fuck are you trading NQ? I guess you must have got in earlier, because right now it is stuck. Nice job, man. Beautiful. Thanks, Dan. The other day you gave a shout out and I got 30 new subs. Let's go. Wait, let me think. I think I know who you are. Aram. Yeah, Aram. Let's go. My man. Hell yeah, brother. Have you been live streaming still? Let's have a look. Let's see if Aram has kept up his live stream. 1 day ago, nice. You guys, it's not easy to live stream every day. Clean charts as well. Price action trader we have here. Good shit. Yeah, I'm gonna give another candle a crack and see if we get anything here, but it's not looking too fucking too fun. Nah, I don't watch soccer. Just post it in the mentorship. Let's have a look. Oh, look at Jake just posting the mentorship. Trade copier, 3K for the day. Beautiful. Good job, man. Great job. 3K day like it ain't a thing. Still have affiliate with prop firms? No. Bullocks. No, they're on my case though for it, but I just keep not doing it. Dan, thank you for letting me borrow your Lambo. You guys need to be saying stuff like that when I live stream with Abby on Thursday. Be like, Dan, thanks for saving my daughter from that burning house or something like that. Oh, you started streaming because you respect your grind also. Okay, it looks like Market Maker Drew was only joking. Oh, look, he is streaming. 2 days ago. Nice. Let's see what Market Maker Drew's streams are like. Market Maker Drew back at it. Bro, you got to put your face in the camera. Oh, it is. Nice. My man. Big Drew in the house. Give you a thumbs up. Yeah, good shit, man. Keep at it. Making sure it's a ledge. Oh. Yeah, Market Maker Drew doesn't smoke around. From roasting to supporting, yeah. No, I thought he was being serious, though. He thought he was only joking. Alright, man. Fuck. Come on, gold. What do we got? 7 minutes for an hour and a 30 closure. We'll see. Again, you guys here this Sunday, if you don't register for this free webinar to learn something and walk away a better trader, then, I mean, there's not much else I can do for you, bro. No, I don't watch anything except boxing and UFC. Mainly just UFC. Going back to Indonesia anytime soon? Probably not for a little while, to be brutally honest. Not for a while, I don't think. Where in Australia from? Brisbane. Man of the people. Let's get it. So I can feed my family. Exactly. You know Joe Trades? Joe Trades. Yeah, I know Joe Trades. Yeah, I'm mates with Joe Trades. Joe Trades. When you get a 5-minute liquidity grab, I wish I could do like a UK accent. Bro, you demo trader? No, I'm not. Take that back. I possess secrets and I'm not for nothing. Buy 100%. Alfredo. I like your name, Alfredo. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what this candle wants to do, you guys. I mean, I thought I'd show up and see if we get anything popping off. Hope Indonesia talks trap. Oh, fuck. You in Brizzy now? No, I'm in Dubai. Ili Patori got blasted up there. Yeah, bro, crazy. I still can't get over it. Are you live every day? Not on YouTube and stuff. In the mentorship, yeah. Jaw Trades. If I work with you, can I guarantee you overall profit? Wait, if I work with you, can you guarantee overall profit? Are you stupid, bro? Like, is there something, did somebody like put you under a trance, open up your head, place a penis inside of it, and then close it back up? Like, is that what happened? Because that is significantly seems to be an accurate thing that may have happened. If I go up to a boxing coach and say, hey, can you train me to become a world champion, but can you guarantee I'm going to be a world champion? What is he going to say? He's going to literally say what I said to you. He's going to say, excuse me, sir, is there a penis inside of your brain? I can give you the tools, the support, the guidance, and everything. There's only so far I can help you, though. Like, there's only so far I can help you where you have to use your wings at some point and leave the nest. You know what I mean? At some point, yeah. Got a few subs from me, Rose. Nice, let's go, Market Maker Drew. NQ. Oh, NQ's pushing up. Damn, who wants to buy NQ if it breaks above? Wow, this dude, if you're running in losses, just join my Telegram for recovery. Blocked. 4 hour T2 on NQ. Yeah, I noticed that. Yeah. 30 minute. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't look fucking, looks not too bad. Apart from gold, what else do you trade? NQ, but primarily gold. Primarily gold. Dan promotes JD into second in command in the mentorship as a legend. Nice. Wait, who's? I can never tell you guys on YouTube your Instagram name, like who you are in the mentorship. From your YouTube names. You can't find NQ in the platform? It's probably, if it's Forex, it's NDX USD. If it's futures, it should just be NQ. Yeah, that's true. Patience, like DF said. Candles are about to close here. 40 seconds. Wow, that range just got completely filled. Gold is just crazy, bro. Gold is absolutely out of this planet. How many hours of sleep do you get? Just enough. Yeah, plenty. I'm just normal. Yeah, I'm just normal. No, gold breakouts have just always been the same. There's no harder or different, no harder or easier. It's just different. Do you prefer to sleep on your left or right side, or do you switch? I don't switch every hour or so, but I don't try to pick a side. I always try and switch it up throughout the nights. Why do you say that? That's so random. That's so random. All right, here's the thing. I'm going to give it one more candle. One last candle. That's it. I'm going to give it one more candle. Yeah. I'm going to give it one more candle. If I can get some sort of setup with one more candle, then I'm going to trade. Just want this Abby sleep on. Fuck. Abby, 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 Abby. Abzilla. You watched all the long form content? Nice, good man. Gold longs, if I get a break above here, I might long gold. Yeah. Yeah, we'll see if what this candle does. This candle's going to determine whether I do anything. Yep, that's exactly right. Difference between profits and profitable. I'm a day trader, braver. Let's see, man. Let's see if this candle can give us something. You know, it's worth showing up, but we'll have to see. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the stream live here for a bank holiday session. Buy. TikTok's saying buy as well. I'll buy if I get a bullish closure. Yeah, Liam, if we get a decent bullish closure, for sure. What up, Chris? Tifa Nolan.
In the beginning.
Fixed RR of a 1-to-1 is like a baseline. But it's not all I do. Like if you watch I just posted a YouTube video like 3 hours ago of a trade that I took. You can see it playing out in real time. That was probably closer to a 3 RR. Why is it so difficult to say risk to reward? Risk to reward. Risk to reward. 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 Risk to reward. Oh my God. Whenever I film a video and I have to say risk to reward, I'm like, oh, hopefully no one realizes I literally am just saying reward. Hi there, Cheese from Seattle. Why do you prefer the 15-minute time frame of the 5? The 5, I need candle closures for confirmation. The 5-minute just isn't strong enough. Like if I get a candle closure on the 5-minute, it doesn't give me enough confidence in the importance of that closure. The 15 isn't even enough. That's why I have to use higher time frame to build a bit of a story for it to make sense. Dave, you're talking a language that I don't even fucking know. Your name on TikTok? My name's the same on all platforms. David Holmes. David Holmes freaking trades. See if we get a bullish closure here. I'd need this in order to be interested. Daniel Manzoni? Wait, who's that? Oh, Dean, fucking hell. It's Abby's last name. Exactly. Abby Holmes. Fuck. After new trader on the UK gold. I don't know what you're saying, bro. Can you share your struggle phase short story? Bro, I struggled for like 2 and a bit years. Yeah, I just kept blowing accounts like you wouldn't believe. I just kept blowing accounts like you wouldn't believe. I'd cried multiple times, smashed my hand down on my desk, screamed into a pillow. Because man, when I came across trading, this was meant to be my ticket out. You guys, you ought to realize my life sucked like 3 years ago. Hated it. Hated it. Been broke basically all my life. Well, broke is in this. You're broke if you have a 9 to 5 technically, because it's just like basically living paycheck to paycheck. So then when I was like 29, I hit a crazy rock bottom in life and tried to crawl out of that through trading. So putting that much pressure on trading being like the ticket out and then fucking it all up for 2.5 years was a very tough pill to swallow. Right, so eventually I started getting momentum, but man, for those first 2 years and a bit, it was painful. It was painful. You know, I went through the phase of like, am I just an insane person? Like, I just can't stop revenge trading. Is this even real? Can I even do this? Like, is this just a scam? Like, I went through it all, but still showed up every day. Still showed up every day. That was the most important thing. And then over time, damn, today I made more than my job. Damn, today I made more than my job this month. I started like collecting these big days and you know, making a lot of money, and then not even realizing that I was actually doing it as well. Like, yeah. How do you get out from that bad period? It's tough. It's tough. It just takes time. Like, it literally takes time. That's the issue. And you have to be really resilient. Every trader that you know that's super successful went through that as well. Some traders don't go through that at the start and they have a mad run at the start, which I think is bad because later on it comes. I think it's best to go through the tough times at the start of your career. Then later on. I used to have behind my computer, I was like, you know what? I'm going to write my shit down so I have to look at it every day to know not to break my rules again. So I'd write down however many accounts I would blow. So I remember I specifically had like 25 or something, and I'd blow an account and I'd wipe it out and write 26. And then I just kept blowing accounts so much. I was like, I'm just going to stop writing it because it's not helping. It's not stopping me. Right? So it was just account after account after account. Done it all, man. Gone through all the struggles and all the shit. But yeah, perseverance. Yeah, Miggy Zam's done well. Miggy Zam's done really well. How did you find the start of full-time trading? For me, the first month was so bad best month. Yeah. I mean, I always talk about it, but it's like it's so important not to think about it too much. If I were to thinking like, man, I just quit my job, like I need to really make this work, it's really bad for your psychology. The best thing is just to fucking show up and take the trade. Try not to think about it too much. You have cried, you have been happy, you've seen over the past 4 years. What I need to know is... Yeah, that's the thing, Dean. Yeah, you can wipe out your profits so quick. Bro, I remember last year's time, consistently making 2-3 days, satisfied with that. But I would, to be honest, I'll be satisfied with $200-300 even now. I'll be satisfied with any money I make. Yeah. But if you go back even further, there was times where I would still have a $1,000 day and shit. Like, there's been periods throughout the years where like there'll be a month or two where I'll just size down massively. Probably not anymore, but I remember last year there was probably like a 2-month period where I just sized down because I was going too aggressive, and yeah, I was getting some big payouts, but when you go super aggressive, you can also blow it as well. Fucking hell. There was no aha moment, bro. It's not a thing. Nothing happening here, man. This 15's about to close. Yeah, thought it'd show up. There was volume, and it seems like there is volume, but I'm not going to hang around. My eyes are starting to hurt. You guys, link in the description. Free webinar this Sunday. Register if you want to learn how to improve in your trading. Very important. You're going to learn a lot of shit here. So register now or else you miss out. And thank you guys for showing up. Have a great weekend. Don't think about trading. And then let's come back Monday and get cooking. Love you, gang. Have a great weekend. I'll talk to you very soon. Peace and prosperity. Goodbye.